Yes, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at past questions in physics from the topic scalars and vectors. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Share these videos if you like it. So we'll look at the number one question. Electrical potential, torque. This is torque, kinetic energy, momentum. Which of the quantities listed above are vectors? We know that vectors are physics quantities that have both magnitude and direction, whereas scalars are those quantities that have only magnitude but no direction. So which of these are vector quantities? A, II and III. B, II and IV. C, I and III. D, I and II. The answer is B, II and IV. Why? Because the four quantities like electrical potential, kinetic energy, torque, momentum, all potentials are scalar quantity. Anyone that has potential is scalar quantity. All forms of energy are also scalar quantity, because you don't really know the direction where the energy is going to. And you know that most time potential can go in either direction. But you look at this torque and momentum. Torque is a scalar quantity. Torque is a vector quantity. Momentum also is a vector quantity. So if you check this through inside your textbook, you're going to find out that the answer is actually torque and momentum, because both torque and momentum are channeled towards direction. So that's what gave us this answer. So let's look at electric cells as well. Okay, let me take this in the next class. Thank you. Click to subscribe.